for us to find a t-score to help us create a 90% confidence interval. So a 90% confidence interval means that we're looking for a t-value that would split an approximately normally distributed variable into so that 90% is in the center and you got 5% for each tail, right? And just like with a z-score, the t-score is approximately normally distributed with large sample size. And just like with the z-score, a t-score's distribution is centered at t equals 0. So we want to know what this t value is. Or you could find out what this t value is. It's going to be the same thing except with the negative sign in front of it. For confidence intervals, we use the positive one just as a convention. So, to use a calculator, you could just go to Google and type in t-score calculator. Let's see what the first one gives us. Yeah, this should be good. 20 students. And so since we just have one parameter, the population mean, the degrees of freedom is always n minus 1. So 20 minus 1 makes 19. And then the significance level, so it's supposed to be a 90% confidence interval. That means we get 5% in each tail, right? So the significance level should be 0.05 because this is like the region in each tail. But there's other calculators on there. This is what we call a two-tailed. We're looking for a two-tailed t-value, and if you're using like the table in the back of a textbook or in an online textbook, you'd want to use the two-tailed one. You would see that it matches with the 90% confidence interval. The two-tailed t-value. You'd want to look up 90%. But if it doesn't say two-tailed like my calculator did, then I want to look up 95% because that's how much is in one tail. This one doesn't seem to be working. Let me go back. Try the next one down the list. This isn't it. Should be simple like what we just saw. Okay, so that third one down, degrees of freedom is 19, and since it doesn't say two-tailed, I want 0.05 for significance level. Oh, and so this one actually does give the two-tailed value, but look, I've typed in one tail, 0.05, so that's my t value. But if you use that same calculator, and if you were to type in 0.10, because I'm getting that because if you want 90% in the center, you want 10% contained in the two tails. You'll see it's the same p-value, right? 1.7219. So this is the one we want. It just depends on what they want for rounding.